I'm not bluffing. You're gonna want to try these protein-rich muffins. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm adding a powerful protein boost to muffins, making them a great snack or breakfast on the go. And with the classic combination of peanut butter and banana, these mini muffins will disappear mighty fast. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While that's heating up, spray 24 mini muffin cups with a non-stick cooking spray. Then, in a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of performance-inspired vanilla protein powder, 1/3 cup of Hy-Vee old-fashioned oats, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted roasted sunflower seeds, and 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee baking powder. Oats contain insoluble fiber, which helps keep us feeling full longer and keep our digestive tract moving. After that, in a second bowl for wet ingredients, combine 2 mashed bananas, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, 3 tablespoons of Hy-Vee creamy peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee vanilla extract. Mix these all together, then add in the oat mixture and combine well, before stirring in 1/3 cup of Hy-Vee semi-sweet chocolate chips. Spoon this batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full, and top some with shredded coconut if desired. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are firm and tops become slightly rounded. When they're done, cool on a wire rack for 5 minutes and you're ready to serve. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.